Seriously, you guys? I'm so excited about this luxury landscaping update. We're working overtime to make this place look like it jumped straight out of a magazine, you know. Check out this driveway. We've used these gorgeous pavers to create such a sophisticated look. And wait until you see the front of the house. We've designed this absolutely stunning luxury water fountain that's going to be the absolute centerpiece. Honestly, seeing it all come together is just incredible. We are pouring so much effort into making this project look completely amazing. You can really feel the difference when every detail is just perfect. It's going to be breathtaking. Want your own magazine-worthy outdoor space? Click the link below to explore how we can transform your home. Hello there. Are you dreaming of a space that truly reflects your style and needs? If you've seen a design that sparks your imagination, and you're wondering how to bring it to life, we'd be absolutely delighted to help you create something extraordinary. We understand that transforming your vision into reality can sometimes feel like a big step, and that's why we're pleased to offer flexible financing options to make your project more accessible. We're here to guide you through every stage, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable process from concept to completion. If you're ready to explore the possibilities and discuss your unique project, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can connect with our owner at 925-231-5714, our sales manager at 707-416-3457, or our marketing manager at 925-405-2413. We're eager to hear from you and help you achieve the design you've been envisioning. Thank you for considering us for your next project.